Hey friends, thanks for joining me. Let's look at how we draw a shape that has angles on it when we don't know the length of other parts, but maybe we know the angle itself. Okay, so if we're doing an orthographic projection, we're doing 3 views on this, we can figure out how long this is because we have the angle. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to start on our front view, draw it however long it goes. Well, I know the back is 4 inches, so the bottom is going to be 4 inches. Okay, these are going to be straight up and then over. So now I need to know about these lines. This is hard to do on this drawing. So what I can do is I can skip to the top and work on that one. I know I go straight up. I know it's 1.5 inches wide. And so if I'm looking down on the top, I'm looking down this way, I know that this is not going to be a rectangle. But I know from this point, it does a 45. So now I can use my tools. I can use my 45-degree triangle. I can stick my T-square on my desk, giving me a flat, horizontal place. I can stick my T-square, or my square on here, my triangle, and that will give me my 45 line. I can do the same thing on this side. Line it up on my T-square, line it up at the corner, do my 45-degree line. Then I can just erase these points. And now I can kind of reverse work this. I can use my triangle and my T-square to bring these lines down. Then I can erase what I don't need. And so I got these angles by knowing this. And I know how long this is because I know how wide this is. So there you go, folks. That's how you can use your tools. Use your triangle for when you know the angle, but you don't know one of the actual dimensions. So I hope this helps on that drawing. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your attention. Work hard, folks, because hard work is its own reward.